Hey everyone, welcome back to Shop Life. It's early in the morning. It's like 5:40-ish. We've been filming for like 2 hours for something that should have taken less than 15 minutes.
Be quiet.
But
it was for my channel. That's why.
Now we're at Starbucks for no good reason except to just waste a lot of money on something. Is Starbucks supposed to be Italian? Like why they're...
What?
Man, I've been out of school for a little bit. Damn, it'll be a year in December.
Yeah, as opposed to me, I started school last week, so I have a lot of classes this semester, but hopefully I graduate in December, so...
Hopefully? What? You better graduate in December.
No, I am.
Okay, I'm gonna need my phone to put my card in there.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, so we obviously we left the camera. No, we brought the camera, but we forgot the SD card, and we're like, well, you know what?
What's all this we? Ain't no we.
It's a we thing, bro.
You brought the camera. You forgot the SD card.
Oh my gosh.
I'm just
Look
saying.
at him. This is why we don't film together, because we argue.
We don't argue, bro.
Well, it's not arguing. We just...
Alright, bro. There's people watching. Come on. Shh. I need my card. You have a card.
That's a lot of caramel.
Hell yeah. I asked for extra caramel.
Mm-hmm. We're in his car.
Man, this is worse than that $16 mac and cheese you guys follow us.
Oh my goodness.
Seriously, this is just like water. And like some caramel, some milk,
okay, then
some
why we
coffee.
come here? Why did you want to come?
Because I'm a hypocrite. I don't want to spend all that money,
You are
but...
hippo
what?
You're a hippo, bro.
Hippo what?
Hippo.
Do I look like a hippo? I'm like the opposite.
You look like a...
I need to gain some weight. Y'all got any tips? Anybody got some tips? Leave them down below.
How to gain weight?
Yeah. And don't say the obvious, eat more. I eat a lot. Don't say go work out. I used to do that all the time. Didn't help. Now I don't do it as much, obviously. Don't have time.
This lighting, though. Ooh, that highlight, though, babe.
What highlight?
This highlight right here.
What, you bought highlighters for school or something?
Oh, my goodness. That's it. We're done.
Alright, so as you guys saw, we were filming in the morning. But then the rest of the day just got really hectic, so I really didn't get a chance to really pick up the camera. I wanted to do a few updates in between, but it would just be so choppy, so I just left it alone. But now you're gonna see the next clips, which are gonna be at night. So that's why there's a whole gap between the morning and the night. We just didn't film during the day. Alright, so I've got the wheels and everything off of this 335i. We're just doing the brakes as well as the oil filter, housing gasket, and anything else that it might need. This car only has 42,000 miles, so I mean it's still very, very low mileage, as you would say. Pretty much most of the stuff on this car is original. Nothing's really been replaced. Just a couple of oil changes. That's about it. But anyways, yeah, we're just gonna be knocking a lot of stuff out on here, just getting it, look over the whole car, see if there's anything else that it needs. But yeah, as always, it is nighttime. During the day, it gets really, really hot over here, and it's just like not that easy to vlog, especially sometimes I'm not even working during the day because I work through the whole night, so I'll take a nap during the day. There's a bunch of wildfires over here, and when I opened the door just now, a lot of ash just started falling down. So there was ash falling on there. You can see there's ash all over this car. See all those white specks? That's all ash. Obviously all that will just rinse off, but anyways, let's get to work. We're just gonna put all new Techstar rotors, Techstar pads, change the sensors as well, and just look over the whole car.
I'm about to bring in the Wagon so that I could do the windshield cowl since we have a replacement. So let's do it. All done.
I'm just resetting everything. Alright, so I just finished up the car, did all the brakes, did the oil filter housing gasket, refilled the coolant, refilled the oil, bled everything. Now I'm just gonna bed in the brakes and we should be done with the car.
No beamer when I pull in the sun. Change on me just like Polo the Don. Don't be fronting, girl, you know I'm the one. Number two is not an option and they know they can't stop me. Take off, I can't take no breaks off. I've been